Every day I meet women with really damaged hair. I always start with a 5-minute chat to get to know their needs and adapt my advice, because nobody likes having services recommended during shampooing. And so we track together all symptoms of damaged hair: dryness, split ends, lack of spring. In such cases, the Lipidium reconstruction treatment erases all signs of damaged hair in just 30 minutes. And I explain every step of the service by showing the retail size products. It's always clearer and more appealing to see the products before doing the treatment. Shampooing is the ultimate moment of relaxation, so I talk as little as possible to let them quietly enjoy the textures and perfumes. The primer makes the hair incredibly soft. It's actually like a makeup routine. It fully resurfaces the fibre to boost the benefits of the following treatments. I pre-dry the hair to 80%. Then use the steam of the steam pod to make the treatment penetrate the hair really deeply. I apply the mask enriched with Lipidium. It's an ultra-repairing technology exclusive to Absolute Repair. It combines lipids, ceramides, lactic acids and phytokeratin. Before blow drying, the double serum seals the split ends. This cream oil texture mixes in the hand. I always show them how to apply it, so they can easily do it again at home. The result is immediate. It's like styling new hair. Silky soft and radiant. Plus, they're already familiar with their new home routine. With the Lipidium service, they can get this result at home whenever they want.
So don't waste my time.